What's up, boys and girls? So, after a long week of wiring a ton of vehicles, shipping product out, and just working, now it's time to get back to the Sherpa truck, which is currently up in, see, I always have problems with this. I told you guys, Berth End. That was the name of it. Didn't get it right last time. Pretty sure I just got it right. So I'm gonna go ahead, I got all my Milwaukee stuff scattered everywhere, just as it should be. And you can go ahead and get this box loaded up. This is where I'm currently storing like wiring harnesses and stuff that were like maybe an inch or two too short or something like that when I was making them. Cause you know, it happens. But gonna get all that stuff out of there, put the new cables in, put the new wire spools in, throw everything in there, and take off to Sherpa. Let's start loading up. All right, and just like that, we're off with a table and a bed of Milwaukee pack-out stuff, and Amazon pulled up out front, so I gotta go grab a package. Oh, and I got snacks for days, boy. I brought all the bars, Laura bar, Kind bar, Cliff bar. Also, look at that truck, dude. Chase 1, looking good. All right, and just like that, we're on our way to Sherpa Equipment Company. Let's go. So I gotta run. Ah, there you go. Almost. Alright, so bad part about the 550 is that without a trailer, this is like the roughest truck you will ever ride in or drive. It is so rough. So, I'm in Berth End now, in the industrial park area, over where Sherpa is. Oh man, this snow. Get up on it. I'm telling you, we're going 10 miles per hour. 12, 15. And it's just so rough over this little bits of snow. So rough. Oh, this is great. Got some nice trucks here, like all the time. Oh, there we go. Getting the door opened. There he is, the man, Alex. There's the race car. We're stuck. All right, going in 4-wheel drive. There we go. Sweet. Bro. How was the drive? Hi. Long.
Pass passenger side doesn't get brakes, only the driver's side. Sorry. You're going forward.
You're not supposed to use brakes on a race car. You don't need it. They only slow you down.
Whoa! No, whenever you want even braking, you have to lock the diff.
Oh.
Yeah, lock the
That
diff.
creates no extra strain.
We have problem we're running into is with these being bolted, the oil filter is getting caught on this line.
Oh, really? Hits that?
Yeah, it's inside of it.
Oh, that's so annoying.
All right, so they're putting the motor in, and I am wiring it inside the 4Runner, which I can't show you because of the wrap hasn't been released, unless I just take a while to make this video, in which case, check out the cool wrap.
Now you wanna stay the night. Pretty how you work hard for me. We're forgetting how to talk. No, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and slice it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right after we're done, I like it when you're looking like that. Don't like it when you check. I like it when you're looking like that. Or shy to find too much.
I'm trying to work over here, and you guys are being really loud. Bro, I can't do this. It's literally going to be more inefficient for me to have employees helping me because I'm just going to hang out with them. It's amazing how fast I work when I work by myself. But when there's people here, I'm terrible at working. Oh, that's funny. You thought I was talking to you.
You can redo that one if you want.
Which way?
Driver's side low.
Which side is touching?
Well, we're twisted in multiple axes. Oh, okay. The motor.
Ooh. Look at this. I'm teaching you how to wire.
Doing a good job, buddy.
Yee.
Yee. Good job.
You're from Florida. You like that?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, look at that. We got twin pumpers back here. Throwing some yeehaw juice at the motor. Here I did. Ooh, it's so clean.
Alright, let me jump back
So
in here.
fresh, so clean. Alright. Good job, buddy.
Gotta get in there before you get in trouble.
Good job. Yeah, you gotta go. What's that, dude? Oh, man. Doggies chasing shadows.
Wouldn't be the first time I've done that.
That's fine.
It might be too short, but that's our OC.
So all this is gonna get zip tied up, ring around. So it's a mess again, but the bundle. We'll have to get all the zip ties cut back off and then redo it all.
I can't tell. You're talking to the camera, you're talking to me.
Oh, hi, guys.
Oh, hey.
Welcome back to the Sherpa Blaze podcast.
There's a microphone you're supposed to talk to.
If you'll see a camera, just start talking. Well, this ain't gonna work.
Dude, that's what I was like. Do you need a drill?
Yeah, I need to drill through your harness here so I can fit another wire through it.
Have a single wire.
Yeah, brother.
What do you think of that?
I think I did a pretty good job.
Yeah? I think you did too, buddy.
It's crazy. I put all those studs in. I made this battery cable. I ran it through the firewall.
Who made that battery cable?
He did?
Huh, interesting.
That's hilarious. You know, that compressor doesn't sound so loud anymore.
Let's hear the ding.
Hey there.
How you doing?
Oh, I'm just crimping.
Yes.
It's actually just gonna like hold it.
There's a solid chance that I'm about to cut the very last wire we need on this car. And if I'm not about to cut it, it's not gonna be fun. Because I think it's already past 1 a.m. What time is it?
About 1:30.
It's about 1:30. And we both have to work tomorrow. I have Alex doing the rock lights. Him and Cameron have been knocking them out and learning how to wire the truck, and it's been going pretty well actually. Tag teaming the last few things on the truck definitely sped it up, and it went from like another 4 or 5 hours of work to like another 2 hours of work very quickly. So that was nice because in a short amount of time we knocked out the USB port. There's something else. Oh, the driver GPS. So we got the driver GPS harness, the USBs and all that knocked out fairly quick. So now I gotta go push the last wires through the hole and finish building this harness.
I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pretty how you work hard for me. We're forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and slice it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right after we're done, I like it when you're looking like that. Don't like it when you chat. I like it when you're looking like that. Or shot your fun to my reaction. I like it when you look like that. Don't wanna watch a bugger with a white mouth down. Just like it when you're looking like.
Pull back on it a little bit.
It's not focused on anything. It's just we're all completely.
You have to do this.
Oh yeah, yeah. Whoa!
The focus trick.